Hi guys, thanks for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Just like you, I have seen tons of videos on the internet that share different DIY scrubs that you can use to take care of your lips, especially the ones that promise to work within 24 hours. Just like you, I have come across a lot of videos on social media sharing DIY scrub ideas that you can use to take care of your lips to give you healthy, supple lips. And most of these DIYs always promise to give you 24 hours results or heck, even overnight results. And I've always been wondering until I stumbled on this particular one, okay, that talked about getting immediate results. And you guys, I mean, you can already tell the ingredient that we're about to use for this particular DIY scrub for the lips. And I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Like, let's do a practical, let's have a live session of this particular DIY scrub and see how it comes out or turns out to be, okay, you guys. See, I cannot wait, okay. I figured I have these basic ingredients in my house, so why not come on here and share it with you guys? So of course I have my Vaseline, my blue seal Vaseline. I have this small one. As you can see, of course, I have very little here, and it is literally going to be enough for this DIY scrub that we want to do. Now, Vaseline helps to hydrate your lips, to lock in moisture to your lips. In any other part of your body that you use it, actually, it helps to hydrate, to lock in moisture, to keep your lips, your skin moisturized. I mean, if you are an OG on this channel already, you should know that you cannot exist on planet Earth without having Vaseline in your house. Even if it is not Blue Seal Vaseline, okay, any other brand of Vaseline, but please have Vaseline in your house. And of course, I figured I have a little sugar. I don't really take sugar, you guys, whether when I'm drinking tea and all. I've had this for almost 3 or 4 months, literally, so you can see what I mean. So I figured, yeah, why not put it to good use right here? Now remember that sugar is also one key ingredient that is always in almost all kinds of skincare scrubs that we have. Any scrub that you see out there in the market either has sugar or has salt in it. Like, you cannot do away with these two ingredients. So I have it here. I have a container to put my mixture, and I have a toothbrush. Now remember, there was a video I made where I shared different DIY scrubs that you can use to get your lips pink as much as you want, okay? Yes, and in that video, I did say that whenever you're applying any of these scrubs, you can make use of a brush or your hand. So I have a brush, so we're going to use it either way. So we're going to go straight into mixing this, okay, you guys? Let me get closer. Let me bring you closer. Let's take some of the Vaseline, just very little quantity. I mean, it's just this my lips. Yeah. And then the sugar that you see, that's why I said we need just very little amount of this. How do we mix this thing by? Okay. And the Vaseline, and give this a good mix. Yeah. I think we might need to add a little more Vaseline. Do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. We need a little more. There you go. Our DIY scrub is ready. So let's see how this plays out. So of course, I don't know. This is a very soft brush, so we'll go in with the soft brush. I think I'd rather use the soft brush because it's a bit messy. Okay, let's use a soft brush. And yes, I do. Okay. Guys, I think I'll go with my hands at this point. Works. Okay, so I've just given this a good scrub, okay, to exfoliate my lips for about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go in immediately and wipe this off. What do you think, you guys? Can you spot any difference? I'm going to try to get a screenshot of what my lips look like while I started this video and what it looks like right now. And let you see what it looks like. I think it actually gave me that fresh, smooth glow. My lips feel a bit more tender and sensitive because of the scrubbing, I mean, with the sugar and all. And it feels softer, you guys. And I can tell you for a fact, okay, there is just very little change or difference. I mean, if you're looking to make your lips pink as soon as possible, then you want to go continue scrubbing for up to 10 or 15 minutes. And I think that if you do this twice every day for the next 3 days, your lips are going to be so pink. You get tired of having pink lips, okay, you guys? What do you think? Let me know your comments in the comment section below. Are you also going to be trying out this DIY scrub? Let me know in the comment section below. Have you heard of or know any other DIY ideas that you would like us to come and try live here on this channel? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will be bringing it on to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Till I come away next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.